Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? HobbyCon Philippines. Level up. Nandito tayo sa Festival Mall to check their event that will last until February 8. Let's G! Ayan, so ito yung unang event ng HobbyCon Philippines dito sa Festival Mall for 2026. So, located yung event nila dito sa open area tapat ng Manam, which is yung lagi namang pinagdadausan ng mga toy convention. So, area-wise, parehas lang siya nung mga previous event na nagpunta dito. Pero, well, honestly speaking, yung sinesell nila dito or offered items is hindi ganun karamihan kumpara sa, well, sa mga previous ones. Pero I think it is because may mga event or may mga dadaos tong programs, which is yung mga cosplay events, yung I think bukas na yun yung card event, mga pa-tournament. So siguro dun sila babawi. Kaya hindi ganun karami yung mga sellers ng items or collectibles. Pero it's still decent naman for me. Lalo na kung ikaw ay bago lang na nagko-collect. You are a kid, you are a young adult who are like collecting for fun. So kung di ka naman sobrang diehard collector or talagang napaka big time na collector, yung mga ino-offer nila currently dito sa event is quite decent enough. So, again, yung area nila parehas lang naman. It's just medyo nauntian lang ako dito sa mga binebenta nila. But, overall wise, okay naman yan. Hindi naman siya pangit kung tutusin. And, as I said, babawi yan sa mga program. So, you can check their page, Facebook or Instagram page. Makikita nyo naman doon kung ano yung schedule of events. And, well, I highly encourage you to just visit yung event nila kasi syempre kayo din mag-rate nito. Kwento ko to diba? So, kung ano lang yung feedback ko, yun lang yung sabihin ko. Pero it's really much better if you will experience the event itself. So, hanggang February 8 pa naman yan. So, you have still a few days left to visit and check it out. So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang. Peace.